Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most crucial yet often misunderstood parts of cybersecurity, legal and regulatory compliance during incident response. Whether you're part of a SOC team, a cybersecurity student, or an IT manager, this video will help you understand exactly what to do when a breach happens and how to stay compliant under India's IT Act 2000. Incident response is the structured process organizations follow when a cyber attack occurs. It includes 5 key stages. 1. Detection and evidence preservation. 2. Containment and eradication. 3. Recovery and monitoring. 4. Reporting and notification. 5. Post-incident review. Each stage has legal implications, and missing even one can lead to penalties or reputational damage. Let's break down the 3 most important sections of the IT Act 2000 that apply during incidents. Section 43A. If your organization fails to protect sensitive data due to negligence, you're liable to compensate affected individuals. Section 66 covers hacking, unauthorized access, and data theft. Penalty: up to 3 years imprisonment and 5 lakh rupees fine. Section 70 protects critical information infrastructure like power grids or telecom networks. Tampering with these systems can lead to up to 10 years imprisonment. These sections form the backbone of India's cybersecurity law. Now, let's talk about compliance. CERT-In requires organizations to report incidents within 6 hours of detection and retain logs for 180 days. RBI mandates banks and NBFCs to have a cyber crisis management plan and report material incidents promptly. Under the IT Act, you must follow reasonable security practices, typically ISO 27001 or equivalent. Missing these deadlines can trigger audits, fines, or even criminal liability. Step 1. Detect and preserve evidence. Secure logs, capture forensic data. Step 2. Contain and eradicate, isolate affected systems, patch vulnerabilities. Step 3. Recover and monitor, restore from backups, watch for reinfection. Step 4. Report and notify, CERT-In within 6 hours. RBI if applicable, customers if data exposed. Step 5. Post-incident review. Document lessons learned and update your playbook. Each step aligns with specific IT Act sections 43A, 66, and 70, ensuring legal compliance. After recovery, conduct a post-mortem. Review what worked, what failed, and update your compliance playbook. Remember, every incident is a learning opportunity. So that's your complete guide to legal and regulatory compliance in cybersecurity incident response. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your team.